I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at the Thomas & Friends Cranes Super Tower. So this is a really awesome kit for your kids if they like Thomas & Friends. And you can see it's over 2.5 feet tall, so it's this giant setup for them. And it works with a variety of different Thomas & Friends trains, but you can see we've got the different cranes from the series. So we've got Cranky in the middle here, we've got Carly over on the side, and then I believe this is Keisha over here. And the idea is that they've got a couple of trains. It comes with a motorized Thomas and also this die-cast Percy. And the trains can be lifted by the cranes here, so if they're placed down here, they can lift up the trains using these various cranes, or they can also race the trains down the tracks here. So these, I'll start one. You can see the cool process that happens here. So this train is going to fly down and around to the sheds down at the bottom. They can turn this table to move to different tracks. So there's so much action and things that they can do on here. And you can see because these are Trackmaster compatible tracks as well, they can take that motorized Thomas or any of their existing trains, and they can have those drive along these tracks as well. So there's a lot that they can do. This can climb all the way up to the top of this tower. And when it gets up to the top there, we can take a look at another one of the cool functions with these cranes. There's also a Herald that comes with it, Herald the helicopter that can land on here, and you can see the Thomas is going to stop. They can release the train by pressing down the stop sign. And if you place the train into the crane here, you can see he's still going, he gets stopped, and then there's this big handle, and they can pull this, and as they do that, it's actually going to spin all the way around on the cranky crane here until we reach the other side, and then release that train, and he can proceed down to the next stage there. So there's a lot that they can do, again, with their existing trains, and the ones that do come with this set. And this really fun, I think this is the coolest action that happens on here because you can move this whole thing around and there's that awesome spin that happens there. They can also park the trains down here in the sheds, and it's all, again, contained as part of that one unit. This also comes with some little cargo boxes. These are other things that the cranes can pick up for them, so they can position these and move them around, and they can also play with the Herald that comes with this and have that come in and pick those crates up. So really fun for your kids. For parents, though, one of the best things about this whole unit is that there's a lot going on. It's a whole layout, but it's vertical instead of covering your whole floor, which is great because it means they have this cool place they can play. They can come around the whole side of it if they want to, but it's all taking up vertical space, so it doesn't require as much floor space in your room. The other awesome thing about it is that when they're done playing, it's all self-contained. You can just pick the unit straight up, carry it off to the side, and place it wherever you want to store it. So unlike a Trackmaster layout with tracks connected to each other going all over the house, for parents this is super easy. At the end of the day, you just move it over to the side or wherever you want to store it, and it is that one self-contained unit that makes it so easy to do cleanup. So it's something that parents will appreciate. A lot of things about this that kids will appreciate. This is a really super awesome set.